case you wondering what car this is, even though it says in the title of the video, this is a Nissan GTR. It's a 2017. This video will be for all of the GTR haters and GTR lovers as well. I'm gonna go ahead and walk around the car with you guys and kind of show you guys the differences from the 2016 model. There are quite a few. The biggest difference with the 2017 model is the interior as well as the springs. It's got a revised front fascia, which in my eye looks very good. I think this is the best looking GTR that they've made. 20-inch forged wheels. The actual body lines are the exact same as before. You still have that really almost futuristic kind of video game like front pillars and side pillars. Show you guys the inside. Pardon some of the camera stuff inside, but you can kind of see it is a very nice place to be. New and improved seats, very comfortable seats. It's got a BOSE sound system, as well as a BOSE subwoofer in the back, which sounds phenomenal. Still have this massive exhaust pipes. They don't want you to think that's a Nissan, it's a GTR. Okay? This is the best of the best. Nissan doesn't want you to forget that this is indeed a GTR. GTR, 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 GTR. So this is a GTR, in case you didn't know by now. Right, so we are in the 2017, turn off my blinker. We are in the 2017 Nissan GTR. First off, I apologize for the sunglasses. It is pretty bright out today, so 7-speed dual clutch transmission, sticking with the modern theme. Paddles are nice and sorted. The paddles themselves are a good size. This is a 3.8 liter twin turbo V6, 565 horsepower and 467 foot-pounds of torque. It rips to 7,000 RPM. 0 to 60 takes just 2.8 seconds. And there have been some reports of it being even less than that. All-wheel drive, top speed is 195 miles an hour. Besides the actual, I guess, added usability of the car, one of the biggest things as well is the whole interior was kind of revamped. It's still your basic GTR interiors, and everything is pretty much the same layout, but everything looks a bit nicer, everything feels a bit nicer than before. They really upped the quality in the 2017 model. So the steering wheel is all different. Personally, I love the steering wheel. I think it looks fantastic. Perhaps the biggest thing you'll notice in the 2017 GTR is the extra refinement you will get in both the transmission as well as the actual suspension itself. It's a lot smoother overall. The actual transmission isn't quite as clunky as it used to be. It's still a very mechanical feeling and sounding kind of car when it comes to the transmission. It's one of the kind of sounds that you can hear happening beneath you. The GTR still has that, but it's not nearly as noticeable or even as annoying as it was in previous models. The springs in the GTR have been softened by 15%. It's a subtle difference, but it is a difference that you can definitely feel. Definitely rides better than the last GTR. You still know that you're in a sports car. Everything is still tight. Everything's still a bit firm, but it's much more daily drivable than before. There's less road noise inside. There are back seats. Not that you would ever use the back seats, but let's be honest, if you're looking at back seats in a GTR, you're not really looking at the right car to buy. Really more of grocery storage. If you have children, they'd fit back there just fine. 565 horsepower, 20 more than the 2016 model year. This car is, trust me, fast enough. All-wheel drive. It doesn't feel its weight. It doesn't feel, its car is around 4,000 pounds, and honestly, it does not really feel like it. When the GTR came out back in 2007, it truly did boggle the minds of every motoring enthusiast in the world, including a bunch of engineers and physics professors, because no one could really understand how it was doing what it was doing. It can bend the laws of physics, unlike any other car for its time. For the money, I think this, along with the Z06, is the best bang for your buck that you can get. You're going basically as fast as the modern exotics, but you still have the practicality of, say, a Nissan. So everything works, everything is conventional. You can see out of it just fine. Honestly, I don't really have too many blind spots. If you're in comfort mode, you can actually feel it softened up a bit. You're just cruising, not trying to go fast. Definitely, I would put it in comfort mode. I mean, but why would you do that when you can just put it in race? Now, would I say it has the emotion of a Ferrari or of a Lamborghini? No, of course not. I wouldn't call it boring at all. That is so fast. Like, how is that not? That would never get old to me. Nothing launches as hard as a GTR. Nothing. It has its own character and its sort of own unique way. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Gulf Coast Motorworks. Also, be sure to check out GulfCoastMotorworks.com to see all of the amazing cars we have to offer in our inventory. Feel free to stop by anytime or give us a call at 239-405-7253. Thank you.